This is just an idea that you can cook whenever you're trying not to heat up the house. Use your crock pot. Hey y'all, and welcome back. We went from spring to summer real fast down here in Georgia. It is hot and we're trying to keep our kitchens cool. So in today's recipe, we're going to be using our crock pot, trying not to heat up our kitchen. We're going to be making chicken thighs. So y'all come on and join us in the kitchen as we try to keep our kitchen cool and make a crock pot meal. Let's get started. Okay, to make our crock pot chicken thighs, this is what we will be using. You'll be needing some chicken thighs, some butter, garlic, lemon juice, lemon zest. We're going to be using paprika, salt and pepper, red pepper flakes, parsley and chives, and I'm also going to add some garlic powder, some chicken broth, and a little soy sauce. First, we're going to start off by just searing real fast on both sides our chicken thighs to give them that extra good flavor you're looking for. When cooking in a crock pot, if you'll sear your meat just for a few minutes, it'll help give it a better taste. Now these right here are boneless chicken thighs. They do not have a bone in. Okay, while we have our thighs over there searing in the iron skillet, we're going to go ahead now and mix this up. We're going to start by adding our soy sauce. This soy sauce, we're going to put a teaspoon of soy sauce into our chicken broth. And we have 2 cups of chicken broth. And we're also going to add just a little bit of ginger. Fresh ginger. I'm going to just grate it right into this sauce. We're going to add around a teaspoon of fresh ginger. If you don't have fresh, you can use the powdered ginger, but you would only use a half a teaspoon. And now to that, I'm going to add my lemon juice. And just give that a mix. Okay, we'll start by adding our sauce that we made over the top. I'm going to add it first, that way I don't rinse off all my seasonings I'm going to put in here. Okay, and now I'm going to add my lemon zest. And now we're going to add our paprika. Black pepper. Salt. Just a few red pepper flakes. And now I'm going to add parsley. And we're also going to add just a few green onions. And garlic powder. And now we're going to add our minced garlic just over the top of each one. Try to spread it out. And if you don't like a lot of garlic, you could leave this off. But this right here is going to be a lemon garlic chicken. with a butter sauce. And now I'm just going to place my butter on top of my chicken. And with all that garlic and the lemon and butter, whoa, that's going to make a good sauce for these chicken thighs. And we're cooking them in a little broth. That way they'll be more of a, they won't be so dry. And there's one right down in there. So once that sauce starts cooking down, it'll get its piece of butter. But we'll just lay it right there for now. And now we're going to turn this crock pot on and probably cook this for around 2 hours on high. Let me serve us up some and I'll show you what they look like on our plate. Okay, y'all, there's what our chicken crock pot thighs turned out to look like. This is just an idea that you can cook whenever you're trying not to heat up the house. Use your crock pot. And then we have corn or cucumber salad and black-eyed peas. Looks good, y'all. I hope you give this crock pot recipe a try. And if you like it, and you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We're fixing to eat, y'all, while it's hot. Okay, y'all, that's our video on a crock pot chicken thigh dinner that can go with pasta, creamed potatoes, or even rice. If you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Around here, we're keeping it real. Everybody knows you try not to heat up those kitchens right now when it's 90-something degrees outside and the air conditioners are doing all they can do. So let's try to use our crock pots. Thanks for watching.